Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to frame our eyes by working with our beautiful eyebrows. This is my editing self, and I'm sorry today we were supposed to do the eyeshadow, but I'm going to have to post that video tomorrow because I sat on the microphone through the whole thing, so you guys couldn't hear a word. So I'm gonna have to refilm that this afternoon, and then I'll have it for you guys tomorrow. So I have been using this serum for both my lashes and eyebrows. I did a whole research on eyelash serums. You can watch it right there with lots and lots of information. And I came up with this. This is a serum that will not clog up your oil glands. It should be a healthy, natural way to get your eyelashes and eyebrows growing. I do use it on my eyebrows twice a day. I have noticed that my eyebrows have filled a little bit more. Big eyebrows are a thing right now, so I'm trying to thicken my brows, but I don't know. It's working, but I'm okay with the amount of thickness. I don't want it to be super thick. There are a few products that you can use for your eyebrows. I do have preferences. This one is Ardell. It says Broken Brow. I don't love it. It's supposed to give you actually draw on the hairs one by one. It just looks too fake for me. I don't care for that look, but it is a look. And my favorite eyebrow pencils are these right here. Now that my hair has gone gray, I have been using this taupe color. I will put links to both of them down there. The taupe color is actually called Blonde, and it blends really well with my eyelashes. It looks nice. I like it. However, when I want something more dramatic, I go with this medium, I think it's medium brown, and I will have that link down there as well. I love that they are pencils and they're easy to work with because they're not that eyeliner type of ink. You can easily diffuse them with the spoolie that's in the back and then blend them. I just love the way that looks once you blend it. So they're fantastic eyebrow tools, and they're very inexpensive. I highly recommend these with whatever color that you need. Another product is this paste by Belle Pierre, and I do find myself using it a lot. I do like it that the product comes with this lovely applicator that's self-contained, and the product is like that. You have to be very careful. It is a dark ashy brown that will deposit a lot of color in, so you have to be careful with the amount of color you put it on. So I'm using the darker brown because I want the results to be drastic enough for you to be able to see. So you can just roll the stick and the tip will come out. I will show you again the classic way of doing eyebrows. Now, fun fact, something like 90% of the people will have a higher left eyebrow than the right eyebrow. When you do Botox, doctors try to even out the height of your eyebrows to give you a more balanced look. But tests have been done over and over again, psychology tests, where beauty is found in the imperfection. So just because your face is exactly the same on either side, you would think that that would make a person prettier, but it is the small imperfections that makes other people see you as beautiful. Who knew? Here is what you do by working with your facial structure and with what you currently have on your eyebrows. This is how you would measure it, and many of you might have seen it, and if it's new to you, yay, you learned something new today. If you line up your pencil from the tip of your nose to the inside of your eye, you will get to a place. I'll put that dot right there, and that is the place where your eyebrow should start. I don't care that mine is a little bushier. I still like it because if you have bushier eyebrows, get as closer as they get to the inside of your nose, it will make your nose appear a little thinner. So you go on the other side and you put that dot there. So if you don't have eyebrows starting there, go ahead and draw that line, and that's where they should start. Got that? Now where should they end? If you line your brow from the tip of your nose to the edge of your eye, that's where your eyebrows, that's where your eyebrow should end. So there you go. So you could put a dot right there too. Again, mine is a little bit wider than that, but because I'm going for the thick eyebrow look, I don't mind it being a little bushier. Now the height, if you go from the inside of your nose to the very center of your pupil, that's where your arch should be. The highest part of your eyebrow should be right there. And mine naturally is, so yay, I'm lucky. So let's try to put those lines there. Doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be a guideline. So now what do? I can't just draw my eye, but I can start by trying to fill the empty spots on my eyebrow where the hair is not growing. But since I've been using that fabulous lash serum, my eyebrows have filled in beautifully. So there you go. And as we get older, don't draw this edge down. Try to stay up as much as possible just to give that lifted look. I think eyebrows more than anything make or break a look. And when I'm at home, even if I have no makeup on, if I want to look a little decent, I will do my eyebrows and put some eyelashes on. Mascara. So, all right. So we have the first go at it. It looks dark. I'm just filling in, trying to reach my arch right there, and try to even out, being that that is a higher eyebrow. I kind of went and tried to see, oh, can I try to make this a little bit even? Okay, so that's it. This color is super dark. Like I said, it is a more dramatic look, but I wanted to make sure that you see it. The guidelines usually is use the color of eyebrow. I have gray hair, but you should use the pencil whose color is closest to your lighter color, not to the roots, but to your lighter hair color. That way it will blend with your hair and make things even and pleasant. Now, the favorite part, you get that spoolie. I would buy these just for the spoolie alone if it wasn't for the fantastic ability to use this pencil. But I like using the spoolie because now I can soften this whole look. I can start by brushing my eyebrows up, my hair. But I like to kind of go this way because it gets the color in a little thicker since the thick look is in. And there you go, you spread it. And then I try to make it lay naturally the way it normally would, because if your hair's not laying where it normally would throughout the day, it's just gonna be funny. Now some people will wear a mascara like clear liquid that is used to keep your eyebrows in place. Again, I don't feel the need for that, and I think it looks glossy. I don't like the way it looks. So there is my eyebrow right there. It framed my eye beautifully. Just makes the whole face more even. So let me do the other eye now. All right, so now I have both my eyebrows nice and thick. The one thing that works for me, and you might want to try this to see how it feels for you, is I do like a sparser look of thickness right down here in the middle. I don't like it when it's this thick and strong right in the inside. So what I do is I just use my hands and I try to buff this area to remove excess color and to give it a more natural, less, oh, I just drew my eyebrows on look. Usually helps if I can see it. Yeah, but there it is. You can tell that the color is much softer now. And there you go. Let me see. I feel like I did a little much here, so I just use my fingers again. I literally use makeup as if I were painting, and if I were painting with my fingers. I like to use my fingers to blend things out and remove excess. Fingers are really good at removing pigment from makeup. So there you have it. Come back tomorrow.